Mentaka sengi mtrang ba ka jela Conrad ke sangma rangkat ki sembun mtrang ba ke Myntri sokau Nongialam Dr. Muku sangma lembat ke MLA ke yakmen ban yo Shong bos ke bai keteng ka bos Jongi ke Shong bos tak ba yai sodong kan yu shlong ban lait pe ye ke sekretariat ba thamai ke brang yai ha ka jingtai ha ka te ka so thamai ba menta ha ka ni ke sengi la plait pai ba ya prap so tli ki bos Jongi kentup san tli ki ba pendon kam dak elektrik ban kamai saudong ga srochlong bat kapsul ban pensuk ya kai kawan jong pai ba kini ki bos kini ya hakaleng ki jaka kentup nado new shlong shadu opa shlong nado kapol ru baje ru steng men step hadu kendai baje men mit ka bai syong bos hakalong batat hak balabu dor sipotengka hak jingjingai ki ba lai kilometer nangta alpotengka hak jingjingai ki ba hadu pra kilometer nangta sau potengka hak jingjingai ki ba khalai kilometer sheneng
January any program, so that's going to be the parade ground. Yeah, so because we cannot go to polo, so that's the official ground, parade ground for any formal activity.
Yes, so it is not the hunger strike ground.
In phase 2, it's almost complete. And in another month or so, the second IT park. This is also 80 acres. Yeah, sir, we had to then ultimately break it down, so we had to give it that side. So people are working inside now.
But you have taken back that land which was given to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best one.
Yes, sir. We gave everything.
They have that tendency.
This is the IEEE. So this is the first ring, and that's the second ring. Yeah. So it's been 10 months now. So they've finished about 39%. 40% of civil work is done. So they expect by another year's time.
August.
Another year they should be by January. They should be able to finish the full civil work, and 7 months for interiors.
But the building is separate, sir. The building is separate.
No, same. The one we saw there is this one. It's coming here like this. This is second ring. So it's ring like that, no? It's two rings. Two ring network. Two ring.
One is basement ground and then ring 2 is from down and
This part earlier, and then show me this one. So we are standing here right now. This is the ring here. So this is going to be like this, and we were here just now. We walked just like this and we came here. This is also going to be one road, and there's going to be the big road at the bottom there. And then we plan to put up the directorates will come there in that part. That side is there. So the directorates will be here. So this will be the two rings will be there. The full secretariat, two rings. So this is this one, the white, this one outer ring. This is what the building is.
this during MBA 2 will be for 5.
3. One control center. Here, this one. This is IEEE, Smart City Project. So inside there's a full high-tech setup.
Very good system this one, no?
Make a 4-lane and then connect it all the way to Polo.
Yeah.
And the Polo also we would up to from Polo 4 lane should start.
And from there you have one road